Hello students, in this video lecture we will focus on what is complement of a set. In your previous lecture you have already learned what is union of sets, what is intersection of sets or what is difference of two sets. And in this video lecture we will focus on what is complement of a set. Now starting with the definition of complement set, you have already know what is a universal set. Let U be a universal set. Let U be a universal set and A is a subset of U. And let us suppose A is a subset of U. In this case, this will be our Venn diagram. This is our universal set and this is some set A. Now, what is complement of a set? The complement of set A, is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. This means that complement of a set is that set which are not present in set A but present in set universal. Let us suppose this is our universal set, means all the elements in the rectangle are present in the universal set and only this portion is present in set A. Now, what is the complement of set? It will be the portion which does not belong to A. That means outside the A portion will belong to A complement. This will be our A complement. Symbolically, complement is denoted by dash, means A dash. So, what is A dash? It is the set X such that X belongs to universal but does not belong to A, and X does not belong to A. Or you can say A complement is equal to universal minus A. This minus means this difference of sets. What is difference of two sets? It means those elements which belongs to first set but does not belong to second set. So, in this case, A complement is equal to U minus A, means elements which belong to universal but does not belong to A. Let us do one example. Let U be the elements from 1 to 10 and A be the set 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Then what will be my A complement? It will be those elements which does not belong to A but belongs to universal. 1 will not come in A complement, 2 will come because 2 is present in universal but not present in A set. 3 will not come, 4 will not come, 5 will not come, 6 will come, 7 will come, 8 will not come because 8 is present in set A, 9 will come and 10. This will be my A complement. Let us do some questions from the exercise. Before doing some more questions, let us throw some light on the results which are related to complement. The first result is complement of a complement is the simple set. This means A complement, again complement will be equal to set A. If I take the complement of this set, the answer will be again this A set. This means complement of a complement is the set itself. The second result, which is very important and related to complement of a set, is De Morgan's law. This is very important. De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? It is the A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. The second most important result related to the complement of a set is the De Morgan's law, which says that the complement of a union of two sets is equal to the intersection of their complements. This means here it is union and here it is intersection, and this complement is the complement of whole set A union B, and these complements are the individual complements of A and B. This is De Morgan's law. Or if I put intersection here, then there will be union here. That means A intersection B complement will be equal to A complement union B complement. This law says that two laws are there. These laws say that complement of a union is the intersection of their complements. This means complement of a union is equal to intersection of their complements, and this result can be stated like complement of intersection is the union of their complements. This means complement of intersection is equal to union of their complements. These two are equal. Let us do one question. Let us suppose universal set is the set from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is the set 2, 3, 4. B is the set 3, 4, 6. Now, I'll prove these two laws. The first law says I need to find the left hand side. For the left hand side, I need to find the union first. That means I need to find A union B. What is A union B? What is A union B? It is the set which has elements belongs to set A, either belongs to set A or set belongs to B. Means all the elements from set A and set B. 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now I need to find the complement to find the left hand side. A union B complement. What will be the complement of 2, 3, 4, 6? It will be those elements which belongs to universal set but does not belongs to this set 2, 3, 4, 6. Except 2, 3, 4, 6 there is 1 and 5 which belongs to universal. So here it will be 1, 5. This is my left hand side. Now for the right hand side, what I need to evaluate first? First I need to evaluate A complement, then I need to evaluate B complement, and then I'll find their intersection. So first focus on A complement. What will be A complement? It will be equal to 1, 5 and 6. What will be B complement? It will be 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. Now I need to find their intersection. A complement intersection B complement. What is their intersection? Intersection means common element which belongs to both sets. So which are the common elements here? 1 and 5. Clearly 1 and 5 are the elements which belongs to both sets A complement as well as B complement. Here you can easily see that these two sides are equal. This is my left hand side 1, 5. This is my right hand side 1, 5. So hence this first law verified. Similarly you can easily check the second law is also true for this set as well as for all the sets. So this is the topic complement of a set. Overall I can say that what is complement of a set? It is the set in which those elements will come which come in the universal set but will not again occur in the set A itself. Now you can try your exercise 1.5 and ask if you have any doubt in the exercise. Thank you.